Hello on Venturist video blog. This video will be one of the review videos about van life related products, and this one will be quite interesting. So I will be reviewing these parking sensors from FenSens. And FenSens reaching me by mail and say that hello Venturist, we see one of your YouTube videos about installing of parking sensors. That video was great, thank you. We saw it was a very complicated process, which it really was, because it takes me about 3 days, I guess, installing 8 sensors, 4 on the front and 4 on the back, and monitor and all the wiring. It's a really long process. And FenSens company, this company, said, what if we can show you the product that you could install instead of your sensors just in 5 minutes without any wiring and any connection to your van. And I said, what, how, where, how is it possible? Of course I want to test it. So they sent me this, and we will see how it works. And what the hell is this? And I must say, FenSens company sent me this item for free for testing, but they didn't pay me anything for this review. They didn't tell me what I must say or not say in this video, so that will be my honest opinion and test of this item. So right from the package we can see they declares it's wireless, 9 months of battery life, installs in 5 minutes, instant hand-free alerts, fast app auto launch, and works in every in-stream conditions, and also have 1-year warranty. So let's see what inside. Oh, it's pretty nice unboxing experience. Ooh, nice. So that's the parking sensor itself, and also we have a simple license plate, just a normal one, and instruction manual, some tools to install it, screws. We have a magnet holder for your phone, that's handy, thank you. The batteries, and more batteries, and a button. Ooh, okay, and little battery for the button. Oh, it's quite nice instruction on some languages, about 2, English and French. Okay, very nice instruction with colors and pictures, thanks for that. Okay. Oh, it's a nice lithium batteries. How do I know that? Easy. It says right there, nice lithium battery. Now I guess it's time to install the FenSens Smart Wireless Parking Sensor app from the Google Play Market. I already did that. Let's see. Can I skip? Okay, I need to create account. I can log with Facebook. I think I will register, so not sure why I have to register to use parking sensors, but okay, thank you for purchase. Okay, it asks I will install the sensors on the front or on the back. I think about the back sensors, and install plate, not now, clearance, measure space between the FenSens sensors and end of your bumper. Oh, you can set the distance. Okay, I skip that. Turn FenSens on. How I do that? I have no idea really. Oh, it's already on. Okay. Choose FenSens. I pair the sensors to the app, and you can see they are working already. This one and this one too, so they perfectly works, and we will try to use it more when I will install it in my car. And now let's look to this small button that comes with the sensors. It needs to quick launch the app, so you don't need to browse your phone searching the app every time you need to park. You just tap a button and the application will launch quickly. So I need to pair it to and now with this button, even if my FenSens app is not working right now, I can lock my phone and I tap this button and it's already started and the sensors is working, and I can tap again and it's closed. So this button makes it very much easier to use the sensors and makes the whole product very friendly to use. Okay, and now for finishing the installation I will move to my van. The FenSens installation is complete. It was super easy, and now I could start an app. And they works. Let's go a bit closer. Yeah, it works. Sorry for the noise, the construction going on there. And let's approach from a little angle, like there. Yeah, it works too. So I am like on the side of a van and it works fine. It has a pretty good distance, about 1.5 meters. So what I can say about the sensors in conclusion? I definitely like the idea. It's for sure the easiest parking sensors you could install yourself in your vehicle. It's like 5-10 minutes and you're done, and they even provide you with all the screws and tools to do that, so it's like one package to do all the things. I like the fact that you can upgrade the system, so if you buy one sensor for back or front of your vehicle, you can then buy another package and connect it to the same phone and to the same app, and you will see on the phone both front and parking sensors same time. As for the price, these parking sensors definitely cost a lot more than cheap Chinese sensors, even with 4 or 8 sensors around the vehicle, but you need to don't forget the installation price. If you're able to install the parking sensors yourself, with drilling all the holes in your vehicle, which is kind of scary, and mounting all the wires around, put the monitors, connect it all to the power, yeah, it's fine, that will be cheaper. But if you need to send your vehicle to the service station so they will install parking sensor for you, it will cost a lot more than buy just ready to install in 5 minutes FenSens parking sensor. So that's one thing to think about. A few things I don't quite like about FenSens parking solution. It's a lack of sensors. It's just 2 sensors on each side of the license plate. And yeah, maybe for American like narrow plate it's only solution, but for the European long plate you can do like 3 and pointing the side sensors more aggressively to the sides so they can sense obstacles like a little side from the vehicle, because with 2 sensors they sense like more size of the vehicle itself and not much around. But it still works pretty fine, and in the most situations it's good enough. And one more thing I not quite like is the application itself. It feels kind of old and aged, even if the product is quite new. The app is like a mid to 2010 year feels with some weird looks, functions and buttons. But the main thing is the parking sensors view itself works and looks quite fine. In conclusion, decide for yourself if you want this FenSens parking solution or you will go with more complicated and complex installation of like surround system of sensors, but it will take you definitely a hell of a lot more time or money if you send your vehicle to the service station. I like the idea and want to thank FenSens to sending me their product for testing. I will give you a link to their website and product page on the Amazon web store, so if you want to check it out by yourself. And I will continue to review this kind of van life useful products in the future, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching and bye!